Welcome to Power MyIT, managed IT services for your business. Businesses today are heavily reliant on IT. Our IT service management offering Power MyIT takes care of your IT, keeps it up and running, and within a limited budget. In Power MyIT, we integrate people, process, and technology, that is, an experienced team of engineers plus management tools all within a single package. We make sure that you don't face business downtime because of IT shocks like server down, user issues, or network slowness. In short, providing you complete IT service management so that you can focus on your core business. So, what value can we add to your business? With your IT running smoothly, you get better productivity, less downtime, improved security, and minimized expenses. So, are you ready to say Power MyIT? Contact us today.